Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Contact Form 7. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for Contact Form 7. Click Install Now and then Activate. Once activated, you will see a new Contact menu item appear on your left-hand sidebar, ready for you to begin. Now, let's build your first form. Click on Contact Forms and then Add New or edit the default form. You'll see a form editor with several tabs. The Form tab contains the basic structure. It usually includes 4 essential fields: your name, your email, a subject line, and your message, all ready for your input. Customizing your form fields is straightforward. Above the form editor, you'll find buttons for different field types like text, email, and drop-down menus. Click a button, configure its options, and insert the generated tag. For example, you can make a field required by checking a box, ensuring users provide necessary details. The Mail tab is crucial for receiving submissions. Set the To field to your email address. The From field should be a valid email on your domain, like wordpress@yourdomain.com. Ensure the subject line is clear. Finally, save your form, copy the shortcode provided, and paste it into any page or post to make your form live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.